My ends could use a good trim. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jaleesa Ayoka. If you are new here, I hope that at some point in this video you do decide to subscribe. If you do so, make sure you hit that notification bell. It's another hair vlog. I did some things to my hair, aka I relaxed my hair. I know. I'm gonna go wash my hair, then we'll come back and we're gonna talk about me relaxing my hair, why I relaxed my hair, and everything you need to know. This is what my hair looks like. This is my relaxed hair. I have fine hair. The reality, I have fine hair. I've always had fine hair. Even when I was natural, the hair is fine. So it's not gonna give like ultra thick relaxed hair. It's not gonna get that. My anemia is over my ass. So I'm literally losing hair. We're back on track with our iron. So it's stopping like the excessive shedding. And now we just have to wait for the hair to go back. Once my hair is blow dried and stuff, I'll show you guys the spot so you can like really see where the breakage is happening. Let me show you guys what I'm going to be using for products today. So these are the main products I'm going to be using today. So for my leave-in, I'm going to be using, actually, you know what, I'm going to use another product on top of that. So I'm going to be using my Mega Growth daily leave-in conditioner. Then I'm going to use the Fenty heat protectant. This is the protecting silk blowout thermal spray that I like to use when I'm blow drying my hair. And then when I'm done with that, I'm going to use the soap infusion. And once I'm completely done, I'm going to rub a little bit of this in my hands and just put it all over my hair. I'm thinking about trimming my hair today, but we'll see. I mean, I can show you guys me trimming my hair, but to be very honest, I don't be knowing what I'm doing. So me showing you ain't gonna help you. I do feel like my ends could use a good trim, in my opinion. So I like to put my hair in sections just because I feel like it gets the product spread evenly. So maybe now I can talk to you guys a little bit about why I relax my hair. Honestly, I did it because I felt like it. There was nothing wrong with my natural hair. I just wanted to wear my hair more straight more often. And the silk presses were not staying silky, so I decided to get a relaxer. Do I regret it? Not really. One thing I will quickly do is cut all this off. I don't even know if I'm going to be relaxed by this time next year, but we'll see. It's not something that I will regret really, because I've done it, literally done it all to my hair. I had natural hair for 15 years. I've had 2 sets of locks. I've had all the hairstyles. I'm going to blow dry my hair now. I like to use my Revlon. I think this is called like the One Stop or One Shop, whatever it's called. The hair is dry. I'm still feeling the roots. I think I'm going to get a new blow dryer. I want to get the old school blow dryer with the comb attachment because I just feel like, especially dealing with natural roots and relaxed hair at the end, sometimes I just feel like my roots don't be dry enough. I'm going to go make me something to eat and then eat it. Duh. And then I'll come back and flat iron my hair. Let's flat iron this hair. I said I was going to show you guys the spot. I can show you it now. You guys should be able to see the difference in density. So you have this hair on the bottom, and you can see how dense that is. And then the hair up here is just really not as dense. You can see like the thickness is going away. So this is where I'm losing most of the hair from. I'm gonna go through and straighten this. We are done with the back. So it looks like you guys can see the ends better than I can, I hope. They definitely need to be cut. Hopefully you guys saw that. I will be wrapping my hair. I know some people will say like, oh, don't wrap your hair, it makes it oily faster. I'm okay with that. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. I can't just leave my hair down and expect it to stay styled when I wake up in the morning. I can really get my scarf to stay on my head. Okay, so we're done. I pulled this forward because I'm like, should I cut myself some bangs? Should I cut myself some bangs? Because look at this. Look at how thin this is. I'm just like, for the first time in a while, seeing like the full damage that's on my hair from my iron loss. I really want to cut it to about here, but I feel like I might need to go to a professional for that. So we're not going to do that right now. Oh God, do I want to cut it right there? I'm going to start at my top of my lip. Ooh. Okay. We gotta at least bring it out to here. All right. I'm feeling like I'm about to cut my hair into a bob. Like, that felt too good to cut all that off. If I were to cut my hair into a bob, where would I like it to fall? I watched videos earlier on how to cut a bob, so this is kind of crazy. I would want it to fall like right at my neck, like this. Let me put the hair where it would be. If I was to cut my hair into a bob, this is where I would want it to be. All right, let me do a small piece first so that I can use it as a guide, because just putting it onto my neck is not a guide. This is also not how you do this. I want it to sit right up in here. All right, we got our guideline. Oh yeah, we're cutting the bob. Oh yeah, we're cutting the bob. See, this is why it's hard to do this. There we go. Oh my God. Well, can't really go back from here. That's on the floor. All right, well now we have to just follow the line. Okay. This is what we got. The back is definitely not even. And honestly, I tried my best. Hold on. But when I bump it, you won't know. A bump hides a lot. Bone straight, it's questionable. It's questionable. It definitely got some spots. But once I bump my ends, you won't notice. Look at all this hair that we just cut off our head. Anyway, okay, so this is a done. Remember earlier when I cut my bang mad short? I feel like I could have left it a little longer, but it is damaged, so it should go anyway. But this is what it looks like. Here's the back. I don't even know what the back looks like, but yeah, I love it. I just wish that the bang wasn't so short, but that will grow back. But oh look, my name is, I would like people call me ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Yeah. I look like a high school principal. Thank you guys for watching my hair vlog. I don't know how long this is gonna be, but it took a turn. It took a sharp turn with some scissors and a haircut, and I'm actually really loving it. My hair looks way healthier in my opinion. Even though we still have the breakage in the middle, it just looks healthier. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.